Hi, I'm Matt Worley with M&L Supply. Today we're going to take a look at hose and nozzle selection. So it's important, especially when you're switching from a higher pressure, your 100 psi or your 75 psi nozzles down to a 50 psi nozzle, that you match it appropriately with a hose that's designed for that same application. In front of us today we have two identical lines set up, flowing the same. We have 15/16 tips, flowing 185 gallons a minute. So we're going to see when we start to flow these nozzles, the difference between the yellow hose, which is purpose-built for a low pressure 50 psi nozzle, and your green hose, which is more suited to a 75 or 100 psi nozzle. So again, we have our two identical lines, same tip, 15/16, 185 gallons a minute at 50 psi tip. When we open this one up, we can see right away that there's a lot of hose movement here. We have great reach of stream, but what we lose out on is the maneuverability and the ability to really hold that hose steady at our lower nozzle pressures. When we switch over to the yellow hose, which is purpose-built for our low pressure 50 psi tips, we can see when we start to flow that there's a lot more rigidity in that hose. The back pressure in the hose makes it really easy for us to advance that hose and hold it in a steady position without getting that nozzle whip and that nozzle reaction that we don't want. So again, if we're looking to upgrade our nozzle packages to a lower pressure nozzle, it's really important that we need to match that. It's a hose and nozzle package, so we need to match appropriately with our pressure tips to our hose design. If you have any questions about this, please go ahead, call your M&L rep, and we would be happy to come out and do a demonstration at your department using the nozzles you have and nozzles you are interested in, as well as a full line of hose so you can see the difference for yourself. Thank you.